Are you missing important messages because Messenger notifications aren't showing up lock screen or home screen on your Xiaomi phone? If you've been going through this issue, you're not alone. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to fix Messenger notifications on your Xiaomi device so you never miss a message again. So let's begin. Before doing anything else, check these basic things. Your internet connection is stable, airplane mode is disabled, DND or focus mode is disabled. Solution 1. Check notification settings in the Messenger app. Open Messenger, then press the 3 lines icon in the top left corner. After that, tap the settings icon. Now tap on notifications and sounds. Ensure all notification settings are enabled. Solution 2. Adjust Xiaomi system settings. Go to Settings, find the Apps, then tap the Manage Apps section. Now locate Messenger and tap on it. Then go to Notification. Ensure all notification settings are enabled. After that, check permissions. Ensure notifications, phone, photos, and videos and location are allowed. Solution 3. Restart your device. Give force restart to your phone. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches. Solution 4. Update the Messenger app. Go to Play Store and search, then check if there is any available updates for the Messenger. So guys, that's how you can fix your Messenger notification issue on your Xiaomi phone. If the video helped, smash that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll reach you out soon. Thanks for joining me. See you guys next time.